I got my braids done somewhat dumb big. I'm not good at tucking, but the braids are done. I'm gonna start on the front. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm done braiding. And I used one pack of hair. And this is all I got left. Besides this, I think I did okay. This was the hardest part. Like, when I tell you I was struggling, like, I thought I was gonna have a mental breakdown because that part was hard. So I gotta cut the little flyaways off, and I'm gonna dip it in some hot water and put some beads on. So yeah. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. But yeah, I think it's cute. Next time I need to use more than one pack because some of them are real skinny. Like, I think it looks cute, and this is my first time braiding my hair like this, so this was an extreme sport. I was struggling, finna have a mental breakdown because I couldn't braid this like I wanted it to be braided. But yeah, it's cute. Took me about, I think, 6-7 hours to do my whole head, and I used one pack, and like it took me an hour to put the beads on. But anyways y'all, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.